Hey guys, Waterfowler41 here, and in today's video we're going to be upgrading the puddle lamp lights on my 2023 Raptor's mirrors. So a long time ago I was in a Ford dealership and I was messing around with some of the cars in the showroom while I was waiting for my first F-150 to get ready out of the repair shop. And one of the things I noticed on one of the Mustangs that was in the showroom was when you open a door, it has an awesome logo on the ground. Well, found out recently, because a bunch of you are posting on Facebook, that there is a company that is now making similar accent lights for the Raptors. So enter this company called MVP Auto Supplies, and I'll leave a link to them down in the description below. But this company themselves specializes in a whole bunch of different types of LED accent lights. So mirror lamps are those puddle lamps that shine down on the ground, and you get your logo. You can get a whole bunch of stuff made for specific brand trucks. In this one, we're going to be installing some Raptor accent lights on my Raptor because that makes total sense. And it's a very simple process. All we're going to need to do, use a flathead, pop out the factory puddle lamps, and then swap in the new ones. So let's go ahead and get the MVP ones out of the box. I'll show you what we're working with, and then I'll show you how to remove the factory ones before we go ahead and install the MVP custom Raptor ones, and we'll take a look at what they look like when they shine on the ground. All right, so here's the lights. They're out of the box. You get a left one and you get a right one, and these are plug and play right into the existing slots of the factory LEDs. So the factory LEDs just shine a nice, white light on the ground, let you see your running boards or whatnot. These are going to give you whatever logo that you order them in. So like I said, I got them in the red/white Raptor logo, which I think is going to look pretty cool on the side of the truck. And I really don't need the puddle lamps to illuminate everything. There's enough lights on the side of this truck to see everything. So I figured these would be kind of a cool accent. So you obviously get two lamps here, and they got two little pigtails on here, and these will plug into the factory plug. And then you get a little adjustment tool. So it looks like a paper clip, but all this does is there's two holes on each side of the LED lamp, and you push this into the holes, and you could adjust the angle of the light that comes out. So that logo that shines on the ground, you could adjust it, and supposedly adjustable for 360 degrees. All right, so we're gonna start on our driver's side mirror here. So here is the puddle lamp, and you can see if you look real close, there's a little notch on the outboard side of it. That notch is so you could take a flathead screwdriver and pop this guy up in there and release the pressure clip. So here's what we're looking at. This is the lamp itself, pops into place. MVP is the same footprint. So you can see there's a fixed hang on the inboard side, and then there's a pressure clip on the outside. The pressure clip is what's lined up with this little notch here. So we're gonna take our flathead screwdriver, pop right in there, and just pry everything down. Once we pry it down, we're gonna pull the wire out a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and unplug it, and then we could ditch the factory puddle lamp. This little plug here stays with the mirror. Once we remove the factory puddle lamp, we can go ahead and take these two terminals and insert them into each side of the plug, and then reinstall the MVP lamp, and then we're in good shape. So let's go ahead and get this guy removed and get the MVP one installed and pop back into place and take a look at the final product. All right, figured before I reinstall everything, just want to show you how the wires go in. So they literally just pop right inside the little plug there. I just tested them. You can see, got my Raptor letter kind of floating on the ground. A little bit too bright in here to see them yet, but let's go ahead and get everything popped up into the mirror carefully. Snap this guy into place, and we'll take a look at the final product here. I think we're gonna like it. All right, so everything is installed. You can see the light kind of poking out there. Let's go ahead and shut off the lights, and we can take a look at what these guys look like when it is dark outside. Let's go ahead and hit the light, grab my keys, make sure I don't trip into anything. So we're at the side, we're on the driver's side of the truck. Unlock, boom. So like I said, these are the red and white ones. There's also an amber one, I believe, as well as a white one. I think the red and white looks awesome. I think a little bit of red, a little bit of white really does pop on the side of this truck. So this is in kind of a sort of well-lit garage right now with the amber lights and everything on. But in pitch black, this is going to look awesome on the side of the truck. All right, so I got all the lights blacked out now. Got the garage door finally off. Let's go ahead and unlock the truck and take a look at those puddle lamps. So mirror pops open. Let's see those guys on the ground. There they are. So it is not an overly bright accent light. It's tasteful. It is just enough that you can see and accent the ground. It's not something that's going to be absolutely blinding and obnoxious. So that's the driver's side. Let's go over to the passenger side. Take a look at that guy. And passenger side looks just as good as the driver's side. Now, one thing on the passenger side, I did have to rotate this guy 180 degrees to make sure he's lined up. I know a lot of folks have the Raptor logo and in their mirror lights flipped around where the Raptor's facing that way. It is whatever you want. It's very easy to adjust with that little tool. It's basically just twist it, and once you get it moving, it's very easy to move it around. So anyway, that is how you install puddle lamps in a 2021 and newer F-150s, including all the submodels, so your Tremors, Raptors, and whatnot. Hope this one was good for you and inspired your little project. I'm going to leave a link to these guys down in the description below. But like, comment, subscribe. Got a few more videos in the hopper here, and then hopefully some new wheels here come January-ish. But that's how you install puddle lamps. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care. Bye.